want to welcome you to the EMS Annual Open House. Every year, for many, many years, we've all come together to celebrate Christmas and the holidays with student entertainment and good food and fellowship with people in our community. As you see, there's students and families and staff that are all coming together to just enjoy one another and to celebrate this time of the year. What's awesome about the open house is you see student performances, you see band performances, choir performances. These elementary, middle, and high school students always impress us with their hard work. The dedication of our teachers and our directors is shown as our students perform in front of an audience. The parents that come very, very proud. Today we had grandparents come all the way from Scotland surprising their grandchild here as they performed in their choir performance.
We spent about 24 hours traveling yesterday. Got in late last night and had a few hours sleep, and now we're here to see this.
Yeah, we had a great time. It was lovely to see him. It's the first time we've seen him in a year now, isn't it?
Yes.
Just over a year, so it's lovely to be back for Christmas.
And that's what today is about, surprises and special times and being together as an EMS community and being EMS proud. Happy holidays from Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD.